Yes, everybody, this is a lesson for 8th grades for the second exam for first semester. Now, as you know, on internet, Mehmet Akif school site is not working. Because of that, in Google, you must write my name, Zekeriya Kaya math site. Then from there, the first site will be mine. When you click this one, the home page will open. From home page, you must click to the homework. When you click homework, you will see this part. So in this part, 8th grades homework folder. When you click here, the folder for 8th grades will open. Yes, we are waiting for that. Now it's working slowly, so I can show you from my own laptop. When you open here, you will see only one homework, which is the new one. This is for Monday. For Monday, 8B and 8A. 8B and 8A. Everybody will do this homework for Monday. So I moved the other homework, all the other ones, the older ones, to the old homework folder. Everything is in here. You can come and sit, but do not open your mouth. Yes, everything is in this folder, old homework folder. And look at that. For the homework 1031, there is written second exam starts. 1031, the homework 1031. The second exam starts from this homework. So you must start to study from this homework. Now, the wireless is not working well right now. It's working so slow. That's why I cannot show it here. I cannot show it in here. Then let's start from this homework. Let's open this homework. And also everybody, in here, there are solutions of all the questions. There are solutions of all the questions. Firstly, the homework folder is in here. After that, you will find GPX documents. GPX documents are answers of all the questions. For example, let's open this one. Not Mac Prison is not working. In my site, you must find it. Look at that. You will find solutions of each question. You will find solutions of each question. For example, we can't simplify. He wrote. Who is this? I think Agun. Mine, huh? Your kitab. Okay. I mean, for these ones, he made it mistake. He made it wrong. He made it wrong. So I corrected his mistakes. So the right solution is in here. Look at that. I cleaned here. The right one is like this. So now, let's open the first homework. It's opened. So this is the second one, I think, pardon. 1031. Special case, yes. Now from here, the ones which I may ask, firstly, let's solve an easier one, which I may ask in exam. Let's solve this one. Yes, everybody, calculate this one. This is the first question of the extra hour. Paper. Or do not write anything, just stay silently. Very good for you. To do. They see that do you remember or not? Go out. Go out. Go out. If you are gonna talk, I don't need you here. If you are gonna talk about something, if you are not gonna listen, I don't need you here. You can go wherever you like. There is no need to be sorry. This is a free lesson. So nobody has to be here. If you want to go out, you can go out. So I don't need people who doesn't want to be here. You can, evet çıkabilirsin. Eğer dışarı çıkmak istiyorsan çıkabilirsin. Burada oturmak zorunda değilsiniz. Çıkarsınız, kantine gidersiniz, çay içersiniz, çikolata yersiniz. Evet. Bye bye. Sonra da gelip sınavdan 1 alırsınız. Evet. As far as I see, nobody remembers this. There is only a few, but they remembered later. They remembered later. Yes. 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 Now everybody, this is a special type of question. In this question, in this type of question, remember that the idea was there must be square root of a plus or minus 2 times square root of b. Remember the rule. For the second number b, we must find 2 numbers which their product makes b. We must find 2 special numbers. There can be many choices. From those choices, we must find the special ones which n plus n makes a. If we can find those special numbers, we can make it simpler, like square root of n plus or minus square root of n. So let's do it for this one. For 24, we can use 1 times 24, but 1 plus 24 is 25. We need it to be 11. Then 2 times 12, but 2 plus 12 is 14. After 2, 3 times 8. 3 times 8 is 24. 3 plus 8 is 11. So 3 and 8 are the best numbers. 3 times 8 makes 24 and 3 plus 8 makes 11. So I can write it in here, that's why I will write it in here. So 3 and 8 are the numbers. Also remember that we must use the bigger one first always. 8 is the bigger one. Square root of 8. If there is minus, we must use minus. Minus square root of 3. That is very simple question. I will use this question to give 10 to everybody. But you will not remember it and you will not solve it. Yes. What? Yes, you can continue to simplify square root of 8, but there is no need. Ah, okay. You can make it 2 square root of 2. What? How? You can write it at home. You can write it at home. This is going to be a video in YouTube. You can pause the video, you can write it. Right now, just try your best. If you can solve, you can. But if you don't solve, we don't need to, I don't want to wait a lot, for you to write. So I can continue. About this, let's choose a second type. This part is the second type of questions, but we cannot use. Okay, let's choose which one? This one. 12 minus 8 square root of 2. Yes, I can do it right now. Very good. Yes, new question. Everybody, girls, come, Ardora, come. Yes, come. I want you to go to garden because I don't want Mr. Yashi to see you. Stay in garden, okay? Yes, then. If he sees them, he will try to send them inside. I don't need people who talks right now. I need people who wants to learn. Yes. Right now, I need people who wants to learn. Who doesn't want to learn, I don't need them because it is free. Nobody has to be here. Dust. Enes is the one who talks. Hi.
No, teacher, so something is wrong. I can't find.
Yes, something is wrong. Which thing is wrong? Let's change the color. Let's make. This thing is wrong. There is number 8. But remember the rule. In the rule, there must be the number. Let's show it with green so it's visible. There must be the number 2. So remember that instead of 8, you must write 2 times 4. Because we need 2 over there. So after that, let's write the others also. 12 minus and square root of 2. We must move these 4 inside of the second root. So 4 goes inside as 16. So 4 squared will be 16. Okay, let's do it here. 12 minus 2 square root of 4 will come here as 16. And this one still in here. 2 times 16 will be 32. 12 minus 2 times 32. Yes, Enes, can you tell me the numbers, the best numbers? Right now, can you tell them? Which numbers can I use? And their sum must be 12. 4 times 8 is 32. And 4 plus 8 is 12. 4 and 8 are the numbers. I must use the bigger one first. Between them there must be minus. The smaller one second. Also remember that square root of 4 is very easy. So we must simplify it once again. Square root of 8 we don't touch. Minus square root of 4 is 2. Okay. Also actually in GDS, in that exam, if I ask this question, in the answer part there will be 2 square root of 2 minus 2. Because they will be best simplified form. They will write their best simplified form. Instead of 8, you can use 4 times 2. You can take this 4 out. It will be 2 square root of 2 minus 2. They will write there. You can go out if you want. Yes, you have a question. Yes.
Teacher, if you don't simplify an exam,
No problem. No. Till here. An exam until here is enough. But for GDS, KTS, there will be written best simplified form. Okay? Yes. Yes, you can go. You can move or. I think everybody did something about this. Can we continue? No? We can continue. Let's open the homework. Okay, last one question about this. Let's make it with plus. Let's put it here. Yes. I'm a bit ill, you know. Also, see that I didn't have any break today. What?
You can have with us.
No, I don't want. I want you to have better marks. Yes, you do it on the board. The pen is on my desk. Yes, you should make it longer. Instead of 48, look at that. Before square root of 48, before square root of 48, we must get there a number 2. We must find there a number 2. So inside the second root, there is 48. We try to write it as 4 times something. If I write it as 4 times something, I can take the 4 out of or 4 in front of the second root as 2. 4 times 12 is 48. You take 4 in front of the second root as 7 plus 2 square root of 12. For 12 the numbers are
3 and 4.
3 and 4. Eda, could you write it down here because it doesn't record that place. Put equal here, put equal here. Yes, down there. So first you write the numbers. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 plus 4 is 7. Yes, Mujah.
Sure, we need always to use 4 or...
In the site there is a video about this which I prepared, which explains all the types better. Yes. My own video is in the site. What? All of them you have here. Okay, this is the first homework now. Is this ordered? Okay, let's keep it like this. Very good. You must study like this. Also, you must check your answers from the site because for some homeworks I put your page of your homework, but for some others I put Agon's paper. Check your answers. I put a plus over there, but this plus doesn't mean that all of them are good. Check your answers when you go home. Yes. Yes, 4. Because if it is simple, we do it. If it is simple, we do it. Yes. Yes.
This form, when we do 2 over 2, 2 square root over 2 square root, is it when we don't have...
I won't ask that type.
Really?
Which one?
It's very hard, the last type of this question.
What's the
The last.
of this?
Yes, let's keep. I don't know. And who? You go there and talk to people I have sent. Tell them when the bus comes, they must call you. We will keep the lesson until they call you. But if you want, we can finish it right now. No problem for me. Find them there in 8A, class 8A. Find them. Tell them when the bus comes, they must call you from class. Okay? Or when the bus goes.
Okay.
Okay. Yes, everybody. Now, everybody, look at that. There is a fourth type of these kind of questions, but I won't ask this in exam. There is no number in front of second fraction, and the number inside the second fraction, it is also not divisible by 2. By 4, pardon. That's why, this has another solution way. I won't ask it in the exam. Yes?
Teacher, what if we have square root of 12
Yes, I won't ask it in the exam. If you want to learn what to do, you can watch the video of mine. There is written special case for roots in my site, in lesson videos, special case for roots. I explained all the types one by one, how to solve. Everybody, look at that. The part 2 and part 3, they are similar. Everybody. The questions are similar, but the way or the thing which I want you to do is not same. In part 2, I want you to simplify the expression. In the part 3, I want you to use rational exponent. Simplifying and rational exponent are different things. Okay? Now, how to simplify these rules and how to write them with rational exponent. Let's do a question about this. Let's make a hard question, which is H. H looks harder. Now, firstly, I want you to simplify this one. Simplify this one. When I tell simplify, you will take the numbers out. You will try to take the numbers out. You must take the number or biggest part out. You must leave in the root the smallest part. You must leave in the root the smallest part. Yes, there are two things, simplifying and writing with rational exponent. There are two ways. The question will be same, but the thing which I want won't be same. Yes, just like that. But these two things should be in the same root. Yes, they tried and you are about to finish. Now everybody, look at to the board, look at to the board. Remember that when it is square root of 9, square root of 9 is 3. Square root of 9 is equal to 3. You all should know that. But 9 is equal to 3 squared. To make it 3, you divide power by 2 because it is square root. Right now we have cube root. To simplify cube root, we must divide the powers by 3. But 13 is not divisible by 3. That's why we will make it separate. Before 13, which number is divisible by 3? 12. Okay. Now, instead of, I will write cube root again. Instead of x power 13, I will use x power 12 and x power 1. Which is invisible. Then before 20, which number is divisible by 3? Before 20.
Teacher, the bus is waiting. He comes and he's calling to go by the bus.
Tamam. After this. After this. 18. Before 20, the number is divisible 18 and y power 2 must be there to make it 20. So we will take, go out, yes, Heidi. If cannot go, the bus cannot go without you. He has to wait for you. X power 12 goes out as x power 4. Then we can take y power 18 out as y power 6. So the other things which remains inside the cube root, x and y squared. if I want you to use the rational exponent x to the power of 13 over 3 times y to the power of 20 over 3. For same question, two different results. By looking the question, the example is same, but I want rational exponent, I want simplifying. If I want simplifying, you will do this. If I want rational exponent, you will do this one.
If you want rational exponent, let's look at it.
This is the result, finished. Rational exponent, finished. Okay? Now see you, bye bye.